Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best pergola kits in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 9. Outdoor Retractable Pergola. This outdoor retractable pergola by Purple Leaf comes with a sunshade canopy and a metal shelter to provide you with ample protection from the sun and rain. Made from polyester materials, this pergola is durable, UV resistant, fade resistant, and water repellent. It also features a safe locking system to keep the canopy in place, and sure to add a touch of elegance to your backyard. The retractable pergola with canopy is made of powder-coated alloy steel frame with triangular frame structure inside, which is sturdy and stable. Additionally, there are 2 mounting holes on each foot that you can insert ground stakes to reinforce the gazebo for improving hole stability. Don't forget to hide the ground stakes under metal covers to protect them. The stable structure will bring a sense of security to your outdoor life. Number 8. DuraTrel Queensbrook Pergola. This is a generous pergola that will bring a regal and ineffectual look to your backyard. It covers 115 inches of space with flat top and slats above it. So, you can lounge beneath it on a hot summer's day or put a cover for when it rains outside. Moreover, it's not that hard to modify the specifications of each pre-cut piece. Therefore, it's a lot easier than building your pergola from scratch. This pergola from DuraTrel is a vinyl construction, therefore it will cost you virtually nothing to maintain it. Furthermore, it will not rot, rust, peel, or warp over time. Apart from this, it comes with metal anchors to keep the integrity of its foundation in place. Number 7. Backyard Discovery Ashland 10-foot by 14-foot Cedar Pergola. Create an outdoor space worthy of entertaining friends and family. Backyard Discovery's spacious pergola provides over 140 square feet of overhead shade and 77 square feet of usable space underneath, loads of room for guests and furniture. For entertaining, this cedar pergola has a built-in 7-foot bar which offers a serving area for drinks and food. Electrical outlets provide a place to plug in lighting, mobile devices, or anything else that will enhance the party. The Cedar Pergola kit comes with pre-cut, pre-drilled, and pre-stained lumber. A durable resin foot helps prevent rot, and concrete anchors help keep the structure in place. Functionality and beauty combine with Backyard Discovery's Somerville 14 by 10 pergola. The Somerville is a Protect trademark certified performance structure, certified to withstand up to 100 miles per hour winds. The Somerville Pergola also features Backyard Discovery's exclusive PowerPort trademark featuring 3 electrical outlets and 3 USB ports, so creating an intimate space for the gathering of family and friends is a breeze. Customize this pergola with lights, climbing flowers, or conversation seating. The possibilities are endless. Number 6. YardCraft 12-foot WX 10-foot D solid wood pergola. YardCraft's premium wood pergola kit adds both style and sophistication to an outdoor space with its curved roof. Post skirts hide the anchor brackets to further enhance this pergola's allure. Each intersection of the roof is notched to lock the top together and resist warping. With its water-resistant, solid wood construction, this 12-foot by 10-foot by 12-foot pergola is suitable for year-round use and comes in 3 colorways to match your current backyard fixtures. Users have the option to anchor this pergola into concrete, on patios, or beside a pool. Curl up with a great book, watch the stars at night, or invite guests over for a dinner party. This pergola works in all sorts of scenarios and is easy to assemble. Number 5. Sunjoy Meadow 11-foot by 9.5-foot metal pergola with canopy. At some point in the day, the sun will beat down on that one spot that just doesn't have any shade. But with this 11-foot by 9.4-foot metal pergola kit from Sunjoy, users need not worry about that any longer. Instead, users can adjust the 7.9-foot high canopy by dragging it down on either side of the structure to block out the sun as needed. Sunjoy's Pergola kit offers style with its tan-colored canopy with chocolate brown trim to match the brown frame. Rust-resistant powder-coated steel makes for a sturdy and reliable freestanding pergola. It is also easy to assemble, and users can have the pergola kit up and installed in no time, ready for the next outdoor event. Number 4. Regency 12-foot by 12-foot vinyl pergola. Additional information: vinyl never needs to be painted or stained, simply rinse with hose occasionally for perfect maintenance. Assembly requires 2 people, drill, level, ladder, measuring tape, and 2x6s. Includes a detailed instruction manual. Use the bolt-down bracket system, sold separately. To install on wood deck or concrete patio. In-ground installation requires pressure-treated lumber wood inserts to extend posts, complete with 20-year manufacturer's warranty against yellowing, warping, cracking, and rotting. Say goodbye to generic-looking tents or canopies, and say hello to the natural beauty of the New England Regency vinyl pergola. Designed to cover your favorite outdoor gathering spot, this pergola trains woody vines to grow decadent shade for your comfort. Crafted to last, this pergola is built with PVC that is guaranteed against rot, cracks, warping, yellowing, and weather damage. It stays looking freshly painted season after season with virtually no maintenance required. About New England Arbors, the world's leading manufacturer of premium vinyl arbor kits, New England Arbors was founded in a simple barn in the late 1990s. The founders began replicating the beauty of New England design with simple, low-maintenance vinyl materials. The business has grown since then, now supplying arbors and trellises all over America and beyond. With headquarters in Port Huron, Michigan, and Sarnia, Ontario in Canada, New England Arbors is dedicated to the creation of the most attractive and durable vinyl arbors possible. Additional limited time savings reflected in current price. Weather-resistant vinyl won't warp, crack, or rot. Never has to be painted or stained. Requires additional materials for installation. Designed for outdoor use. Dimensions: 12 by 12 feet. Number 3. Coolaroo Aurora 9-foot WX9D aluminum pergola. Coolaroo's Aurora pergola fits well in outdoor areas without imposing on the yard or the wallet, transforming a yard or deck into a modern space. Made from a lightweight aluminum frame with a removable polyethylene canopy, this pergola suits both formal and casual settings equally well. Easily remove the weatherproof canopy for more sunlight or for occasional cleaning to keep it looking fresh. Measuring 9 feet by 9 feet, it provides enough space for comfortable outdoor dining, while the assembled 7-foot height offers enough headroom to stand comfortably. This pergola kit includes deck fasteners for stability, and the pieces have pre-cut and pre-drilled holes for easy assembly. Number 2. Purple Leaf 10 feet by 12 feet outdoor retractable pergola. This pergola kit from Purple Leaf boasts a retractable canopy that allows the user to enjoy direct sunlight or shade. The UV-resistant and water-repellent top canvas protects users from the sun and light rain when fully closed. In addition, the locking system keeps the canopy safely in place. Its rust-resistant, powder-coated aluminum frame is sturdy and reliable, and the base plate attaches to a variety of surfaces for additional integrity. Ideal for the pool, hot tub, outdoor dining, and entertainment, this pergola kit is 10 feet wide and 12 feet long with a height of 8 feet for plenty of sitting space. Overall, this pergola adds style and ambience to outdoor living. Number 1. Backyard Discovery Cedar Solid Wood 10-foot by 14-foot pergola. An elegant structure for a backyard, this Backyard Discovery Cedar pergola provides plenty of space for outdoor lounging and entertaining. Resin feet and concrete anchors on the posts provide stability and weather resistance, which keeps the pergola safe and secure even when wind and rain blow in. The structure offers over 120 square feet of overhead shade. With plenty of space for vines and plants, a green thumb can easily enhance the pergola's aesthetic and cultivate additional shade by adding greenery. Measuring 14 feet by 10 feet and with an interior height of 7 feet, this rectangular pergola provides 63 square feet of inside space for hanging lights and planters and placing outdoor furniture, a barbecue grill, and more. Assembly and installation are simple thanks to the manufacturer's BILT app, which guides users through the setup step by step. Pieces come pre-stained, pre-cut, and ready to assemble. The only other requirements are the right tools and an extra set of hands to assist. Long-lasting, withstands in severe weather conditions. Why Cedar? Cedar thrives in damp climates, enabling it to withstand many conditions. Our durable cedar wood is rot-resistant from the elements.